Women's nipples. The shocking reality revealed, psychological facts you didn't know. When it comes to human anatomy, few topics stir as much curiosity and confusion as female nipples. Culturally over-sexualized, medically essential, and psychologically fascinating, women's nipples are far more complex than society tends to acknowledge. Let's start with the biology. Nipples serve a critical evolutionary purpose: breastfeeding. During pregnancy and after childbirth, a woman's nipples become the conduit for nourishing life. But they're not just passive body parts. The skin, nerve endings, and muscular tissue around the nipple-areolar complex are highly sensitive, designed to respond to touch, temperature, and hormonal changes. Now here's the psychological twist. Why are women's nipples such a social taboo when men have them too? This phenomenon is known as sexual dimorphism in perception, a psychological and cultural tendency to assign different meanings to similar traits in different genders. While men's chests are commonly displayed in public, women's nipples are censored in media, fashion, and social norms. This difference isn't rooted in biology, but in cultural conditioning. Research in psychology shows that exposure and desensitization shape how we react emotionally to body parts. In societies where breasts are normalized as a natural part of the body, not just sexual objects, people tend to react with less shock or shame. In contrast, in cultures with strict modesty norms, the sight of a woman's nipple becomes shocking, not because it inherently is, but because people are taught to see it that way. Another fascinating fact: studies show that nipple stimulation activates the same brain regions as genital stimulation. The somatosensory cortex doesn't just see nipples as passive, they're neurologically wired into a woman's sexual and emotional responses. This underscores their dual role in both nurturing and pleasure. So what's the real, shocking truth? It's not the nipple itself, it's how society reacts to it. Understanding this opens a door to important conversations about body autonomy, gender equality, and mental health. Instead of censoring and sensationalizing female anatomy, education helps normalize what's natural and empowers individuals to feel more comfortable in their bodies. In conclusion, women's nipples are biologically functional, psychologically powerful, and culturally misunderstood. The real shock isn't in their existence, but in how little we understand and openly discuss